ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳ ಪ್ರವೇಶಾತಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಜೆಇಇ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಪ್ರಕಟವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಭಾರತದ ಟಾಪ್ 20ರ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೆಇಇ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ 20ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಕೋ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಭವನ್ ಕಸವನಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಅಮೋಘ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಜೆಇಇ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 360ಕ್ಕೆ 322 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಭಾರತದ ಟಾಪ್ 20ರ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನು 10 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1000ದ ಒಳಗಿನ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಅಭಿನಂದನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪಿಯು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರು, ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಪಿ ಸಿಂಧೂರ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಕೋರ್ ಡೀನ್ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಎಜಿಎಂ ರೂಪಾ ಜಿ ಭಾಷಾ, ಬಾಬು ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಡೀನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರುಗಳಾದ ಘೋಸ್ಫೀರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕ ವರ್ಗದವರು, ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Hi, I'm Amog Agarwal and I have secured All India Rank 20 in JEE Advanced 2024 in the open category. Not only that, I have also secured 100 percentile in JEE Mains Session 1 2024. I would like to give the credit of my success to my teachers, parents and the management here at Narayana CO Kaveri Bhavan. The regular counseling sessions that were held here right in this room were very helpful. Right before the exam too, I had an emotional breakdown and the counseling session helped me to overcome that and perform good in the JEE Advanced. I got to know about Narayana CO Kaveri Bhavan from a friend of mine who lived in my apartment. They gave good reviews about it and suggested me to join it. So after joining right from day one, the level of teaching, materials provided have been top of the line. The environment here is very student friendly and the competition we get helps us to improve our scores. So yeah, the overall experience has been very good over here. I would suggest other students also to come to this place and join this, because this is probably the best you can get as far as coaching goes.
What next? What do you want to do?
What is your plan?
I plan to pursue computer science and engineering in IIT Bombay, and after college there might be other things which I do currently which I'm not aware of.
Yeah, it's great feeling. Means we have not expected 20, but when we got the news, like we were in the different world. Really satisfied. We got to know, like as Amok told, we got to know about it from my friend, and he gave a very good review. And at that time, Kaveri Bhavan, this branch was running in a separate building, so we went to that building, and from there we get to know about this building. So we came here and then took the admission here. And Rupa, we met the Rupa ma'am first day for the admission, and from the day one, the feeling was very good. The care of the kid was extremely well.
Teachers are very good.
Yeah, teachers
and we
are.
never thought about IIT before coming here. So it's a dream.
And
Don't give pressure.
Nutrition.
They already take pressure themselves. If you, don't give pressure to the children. They will give their best if you are not supporting them in everything. Whatever they pursue, support them.
So I am excited and happy today. Mr. Amog Agarwal, CO Kaveri Bhavan student, got All India 28th rank You know, in the January month, JEE Mains Phase 1, he got 100 percentile from Karnataka, only one student. So that is from CO Kaveri Bhavan. And also recently last June 4th, in the NEET, 720 out of 720, Mr. Sam Shreyas, All India Open Category, first rank. So it's a great achievement. And I wish you all the best to all the students for their future endeavors. And my heartiest congratulations to all the students as well as parents making this grand success, along with our faculty members, Kaveri Bhavan Management. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Rupa, AGM of CO Kaveri Bhavan, and I'm very proud today. Being as an AGM, I have to, I have to take care of the admissions. I'll be bringing the students. By the time of doing the admission, we have no idea how the student is going to perform after coming here. Till the CBSE extent, every student will be good and everybody is getting above 90% in their boards. But when it comes to the competitive and when it comes to the integrated coaching, how the student is able to balance with the CBSE plus integrated coaching, it is always be a challenge being as an AGM here. But every year, by the grace of Almighty, every year we are bringing the good students. We are bringing the students and we made them to become a rankers. And this year is a feast to us, like in JEE Mains, 100 percentile we got, and in NEET also All India first rank we got, COMEDK we got first rank, and now in JEE Advance All India Open category 20th rank we got. We are very happy to share one more point that below 1000 we got 10 students have achieved below 1000 rank. It is not that easy. To every parent and to every student, as Amog parents said, to every student, getting an IIT seat itself is a dream. But where in our Kaveri Bhavan, we are making them to achieve the rank where they wish to join. Like, our Amog, as he said, Mumbai IIT, right? You said Mumbai IIT is his wish. Before joining in Kaveri Bhavan, he has never dreamed about IIT rank. But after coming here, we are achieved, we made him to achieve IIT rank, along with that the best rank. All India Open category 20th rank he achieved, and he is able to join wherever he wished to. We are very happy, and once again I would thank all my Narayana management to give this opportunity to me to work as a Kaveri Bhavan AGM, and I am very much thankful to my Dean sir. He supports in all aspects, like to bringing the students, and after bringing the students we are promising many things and getting the student. After that also they are supporting a lot. I am very thankful to the teachers, according to the student, wherever the content, slowly they are improving teaching content, and we are making the students to understand in a great manner. And I am very thankful to my principal who supports the students and me a lot. And finally I wanted to congratulate all my students with Amog, for getting a very best result to our branch. Thank you so much.
Hi, greetings everyone. So this is Gauss. I am the principal of Narayana Sivo Kaveri Bhavan. So I am very happy to share my feelings with all of you here. As you know, Narayana Group emerged number 1 in the state of Karnataka. So not only this coaching here, we are offering integrated curriculum to the students as well as the parents. So most of the people, they worry about which is the place where we can get both our CBSE boards as well as our competitive exam preparation. So to prove this, this year in CBSE result, Narayana Group first mark 492, Sam Shreyas Joseph got. Next to that, KCET, we got 4th rank, Mr. Dhruv Avasthi from Sivo Kaveri Bhavan. COMEDK, first rank, Mr. Balsatya Sarvanan, he is here only here. So JEE Phase 1 with 100 percentile, Karnataka first, Amog Agarwal got. NEET, perfect score of 720 by 720, Sam Shreyas Joseph got. Next now, JEE Advanced 2024 celebrations we are doing here. Our Amog has got All India Open category 20th rank. This is what all the result which I announced here from the single campus. It indicates the quality of teaching, the quality of study material, the quality of exam conduction system, error rectification system. So each and every micro points we are taking care, and we stood number one in the state as well as the country. Now I welcome all the future aspirants of IITians and doctors. CO Kaveri Bhavan, Narayana is the best place for you to make your dreams into reality. So thank you so much to each and everyone who gathered here.
Hello, I'm Balasatya Saravanan, CO school student from Narayana CO Kaveri Bhavan. I secured Comet K first rank and JEE Advanced Open Category rank 362. I would like to give all the credits to my parents, staff, teachers and Dean sir for making this achievement possible. Join IIT Madras.
What you dreamed and what you achieved.
My dream was IIT Madras.
Now you have fulfilled your dream.
Yes, ma'am.
You are happy now.
Yes, ma'am.